How to box a Human Touch WholeBody ROVE massage chair using a generic box. You will need all generic packaging materials and shipping tape to complete this process. To get started, if the chair is powered on, power it off. Power on the chair, then, within 10 seconds, press the demo and pause buttons simultaneously. The chair automatically reclines and the massage mechanism moves to the bottom of the track. Once the massage mechanism stops moving, power off the chair, unplug it, then place the power cord on the chair seat. Place the tablet remote on the seat, then pull up on the tablet remote holder to remove it and place it on the seat. Now, gently tip the chair onto its side, resting on a protective mat or blanket. Slide the edge of the bottom box tray under the chair, then tip the chair to the upright position, resting inside the box tray. Center the chair in the box tray. Next, lift the foot and calf massager and the black actuator bracket, place the rectangular cardboard box under the bracket, then lower the massager onto the box. Cover the chair with the large plastic bag. Place the backrest support behind the backrest with the flat side facing outward. Next, lower the outer box over the chair, seating the edges inside the bottom tray. Place the pyramid-shaped box upside down on the backrest. Now, place two triangular corner pieces on each side of the calf massager, forming a rectangle. Place the remaining corner pieces on each side of the backrest, with the base of the triangle facing the end of the box. Place the final wedge piece over the foot and calf massager foam side down pointing inward. Place the cardboard panel on top of the chair, close the box end flaps, then close the side flaps. Tape the top flaps to the end of the box in 3 places, then tape the end seam closed. Now tape the box from one end panel across the top seam to the other end panel. Holding one of the plastic straps near the fastener, slide the strap under one end of the box. Position the strap about a foot from the end of the box. Holding the fastener in one hand, fold the other side of the strap backward onto itself. Feed the fold through the fastener, open the fold, then bend the fastener tab through the fold. Pull the strap until the box is tightly secured. Strap the other end of the box, cut the excess strapping, and you're done.